Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a quick unboxing of a new case for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So if you're looking for a leather style case, stay tuned. Okay, so I was looking for a leather style case for my S24 Ultra, and I came across this brand on Amazon, Lohasic. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. This particular case is about $10, so I think it's like $9.99 on Amazon. So I figured I'd take a look at it and see if it's worth the money. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. And it looks like that is it. There's no paperwork, so let's go ahead and set that off to the side. So this is the brown version. So it is a leather style case. It is not real leather, so it's PU leather, I guess, or pleather. But it looks like it's got the feel. It's got a little bit of grip on the sides. We've got the cutouts for the camera and the flash on the back here. If we turn it over, we can see that we've got the volume up and power button. And these buttons actually have a kind of a bronze color to them. Let me see if I can get it to focus there. So it has a bronze metal looking buttons on it. So it looks kind of nice there. Looking around the top, we've got the cutouts for our microphones. Around the side, looks like no branding. You can see that there is a lip here. Around the bottom, we've got the cutouts for our USB-C charger, our speaker, and the S Pen. On the inside, it's got some soft material, so your phone's not going to get scratched. And so let's go ahead and see how it fits. Okay, and that fits nice. You can see that perfect cutouts for the cameras. There's no obstruction there, flash, and all of the camera there. Go around the top, we can see those cutouts again for the microphone. And on the bottom, perfect cutouts. And let's see if we have any issues with the S Pen. S Pen's easy to access. If we look around the edge, so as we saw earlier, we can see that there is a lip on both the top and the bottom. So you're gonna have some good protection on the front of the screen. It does come right up to the edge of the flat side, so you will have some protection there. And if we go ahead and just drop that down, yeah, we're not going to have any issues if you put your phone face down on the table or any scratches. So yeah, this looks like a nice case. I'm going to try it out for about a week, and I'll let you know if there's any issues with durability. It's just a nice case to have if you want to kind of dress up your phone. If you're going out for dinner or something, you want something a little more professional looking or something a little nicer. Okay, so the case, the buttons on the side look like they're pretty tactile, so they are working well. Take a look at the volume up and down, no problems there. And those are, yep, there's a little bit of clickiness to them. Not real tactile, but you can definitely feel when you press the key, press the power button, or, so yeah, no problems there. And there is a close-up on those buttons, so you can see that they've got kind of shiny bronze color, which complements the case nicely. And see if the case is wireless charging compatible. I've got a wireless charger over here, and we'll go ahead and put the phone down. And yes, looks like it is compatible with wireless charging, so you should be all set to go with this phone case by Lohasic, once again on Amazon for about $10. Okay, so I will go ahead and leave a link in the description below so you can pick one of these up if you want. Let me know what you think. If you're enjoying the video, please make sure to give us a like. Consider subscribing to the channel so you'll get updated on future tech. Appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.